Okay, let's do another take. Hi there. So in our rosin presses, NewVape uses our insulated stainless steel bimetal plate design. Now, this plate features aluminum and stainless steel cap. And some of the benefits of these are really just to harness the best quality of both metals so that you can, and your material can reap the benefits. Now, aluminum is a softer metal, but it conducts heat very quickly. So that'll help you to get to your ideal temperature quickly. However, the stainless steel, it is a harder metal, but what it'll do is it'll harness that heat, it will distribute it more evenly, and it will also provide you a stronger surface. So this surface will never pit due to debris or maybe stems or any other plant material over time with pressure and heat. So they're very easy to clean, and they're our premium design for rosin press plates. They also feature 2 holes for the cartridges, so your heater goes in there. And also part of the design is the thermocoupler hole. So the thermocoupler hole has been designed to be as close as possible to the squishing surface so that you get the more accurate reading on your controller. Now, we've seen other manufacturers, and the only explanation for manufacturers using only aluminum plates, it has to be cost. Luckily for you, NewVape is factory direct. We do manufacture all of our parts in-home in our CNC shop in Boynton Beach, Florida. So you get factory direct pricing for premium products.